Hello guys, I'm going to try to make this short and simple, okay? Yes, this video is about Rosemary Bly, who went missing in 2009, the aunt of Summerwells, who also went missing June 15th, 2021, and has not been seen since, and neither has Rose. I know a lot of people don't like Candus Hearer, aka Grandus, and they believe she has knowledge, if not involved herself with what happened with Summer and Rose. That's neither here nor there. My only question is, everybody says Candus is just like her mother. Well, even after 10 years, and yes, every child is important no matter how old they are, but after 10 years of a grown child going missing, you can still at least hear the heartbreak and the desperation in Candus Hearer's voice when she talks about her missing child. Even if for the naysayers out there that say it's an act, at least she had what it took to at least put on the act. Candus Bly Wells, I do not believe is anything like her mother, not in this sense, because if that was true, then why not one time have you ever heard any of what I'm fixing to show you come out of Don or Candus's mouth? Not the heart, not the feeling, not the words, not the pleading, nothing. Oh, Candus says she misses her baby girl. Don says, oh, Summer was his world, his love. But you don't hear the feeling like you do in Candus Hearer's voice. I'm not saying she's a saint, and I'm not saying she's innocent of anything, but I can say that I can hear the hurt in her voice. How about you? You may think I'm wrong, but just listen up and then tell me why you've never heard Don or Candus sound like this when they're talking about their baby girl.
And it's horrible. It's hard to deal with. Very hard to deal with. And my life will never be normal without knowing where my daughter is. With a missing child, there's a hole in your heart that can't be filled. And it's an impossible journey every day to wake up and wonder where she is. Just trying to figure out where my daughter is. It's horrible. It's not a good feeling. It's just, I wish I knew where she was. I tried to avoid this area, and I can't. It just draws me back, and I don't know where. Not sure which way, but she's out there somewhere. It's hard not to cry, even just out here looking. It just brings tears to my eyes, not knowing, wondering what actually really happened that day. Rosie, if you're out there, I still have the same number. I want to bring her home. And it's horrible. It's hard to deal with. Very hard to deal with. It's not a good feeling. It's just, I wish I knew where she was.